Hello, and welcome to Mavin Case Studies. Today, we're looking at small governments who maybe don't have the funding for an extensive GIS system, and they maybe only have one person working on their GIS systems, but they still need collaboration with other employees and users to disseminate and share data through GIS. So in this example, we're looking at notable trees and trying to get information from people in the field on the health of the trees. As the admin, I would have loaded up this layer, notable trees, and it would end up in my layers tab. In order to do any changes to that layer, I would click on it and it would take me to the layer editor. Here I can change the layer name and description, and if I haven't already added an attribute column for tree health, I can do so here. And then I would click the plus button and it would add a new blank column. And then I go to styles, and here I can change the colors so that it's something that maybe is more intuitive for someone. And since we're dealing with trees, why not make them green? And then from here, if I want to make any other changes, I can do so. I can also add more trees or remove them using the editing tools up top. And I can see what each one looks like as I zoom in and click on it. So right now I have all this background information about each tree. And then from there, everything's ready to go for this in order to share it with someone else. So I'm going to click Finish. And then I'm going to make a new map. With a new map, I can again name it whatever I like, add the layer, notable trees, click OK, and then I can add any other layers that maybe would be helpful to someone in the field or that might need editing in the field as well. And from here, the GIS admin can click on the permissions drop-down and add all the people that need to be added to this map who are going to be making changes or need to view the map. So I can type in an email address, and in this case, I want them to be able to edit the map. So when they're in the field and they're making notes, they can do it automatically and add it to the system. I'm going to click no, but in this case you would click yes. It would send them the email, and then now you can view the map. And as the admin and as the user, I'll be seeing the same thing in this map. And I can zoom in. Say I'm working on this particular tree. I can click on it, get all the information about that particular tree. And then I can decide to edit as well from here by clicking on these side buttons and hitting edit layer. I can click on this tree and it's going to show me all the information in the attribute table, including my new attribute of tree health. And here I can say that the tree is looking healthy, add more information if I'd like. If there's any disease going on, I can add that as well. And then hit save. And all of this information is then updated to the main layer in the admin panel. So the admin, after all of the field collection has been done, can download that layer and then put it back into the GIS system that they have in-house without having to have any extra programs involved or any extra legwork on their part. So it's an easy way for small counties and cities to be able to use the power of GIS and collaborate on a map without needing a really extensive network GIS program. Thank you for joining me today with Mavin Case Studies. If you have any questions, feel free to send us a line to support@mapmaven.com. Thank you and have a great day.